you have to, if you're really dedicated, I guess, or if you're really passionate to, to be more, mas malapit sa, kasi sa book naka-gray eyes siya. So I just really wanted to be, I mean, it was an option not to naman, pero I wanted to try it out. At first, mahirap.
May
Sabi ko,
grado? Wala?
Wala naman. Wala
Oh.
naman. At first, sabi ko, shit, baka di ko kaya. Hirap.
First time
Pero
mo nag-contacts?
First time ko mag-contacts, and it was for the show. And
Oo.
yun, nakaya naman, nasanay
Gano'n
naman.
ka katagal nag-adjust?
Nag-adjust? Oh, wow. Siguro, after a week of taping, 10 days of taping, medyo nasanay na ako. Kaya ko nang ikabit ng sarili.
So ngayon mapapanood mo na yung finished product. Anong pakiramdam mo?
Siyempre po kinakabahan. There's a lot of pressure, honestly. Kasi siyempre, it's one of my first main leads. And ang daming expectations din from the readers, from the people watching, from Viva and Signal. But I'm very excited, and like what I said earlier, I'm confident kasi all of us gave our best. Lahat ng crew, lahat ng cast, si Direk, everyone. So I'm happy, I'm confident, and sana ma-appreciate ng mga tao ang project nila.
Mapapromise mong hindi kayo iyak after the screening?
I can't promise, pero we're all just gonna enjoy watching the grand screen.
Kailangan pa na abangan yung reaction ni Dylan sa 8th grade.
Oo.
Congratulations.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank
Salamat
you.
po.
Congrats.
Thank you so much.
Congrats.
Thank you.